Now let's debug our website application. To debug, start the server in debug mode. Right click and click debug here. And the server is running in debug mode. Allow us to use breakpoints to step the code. Okay, the server is up and running, and now we want to set some breakpoints. This is the home servlet class that is executed when we access the home page of the front end, and we set a breakpoint here. Right click on the line you want to the compiler stop here and click toggle breakpoint, and when this servlet is executed, the doGet method is invoked. The IDE we stop here at this line, we set breakpoint so we can examine the